Lead-Acid Lithium Battery Pack Series Charge-Discharge Tester SF20. The Lead-Acid and Lithium Battery Series Charge-Discharge Tester SF20 integrated with the function of a high-precision capacity series discharging test and a high-precision series charging test. With a wide voltage detection range from 9V to 99V, which make it can measure varieties of batteries from 12V, 84V. Charging test and discharge test can be performed for lead-acid batteries, lithium batteries, and other types of batteries. The maximum charge and discharge cycle index is 99 times, which can also be used as the aging equipment in the battery production. It is a high-precision specific instrument suitable for electric vehicle and battery manufacturers and its dealers to test the performance of the battery pack. And it can be widely used in battery testing and maintenance, production, sales, and after-sales service as an efficient and intelligent battery testing and maintenance equipment. Professional services.